In this video, you'll learn how to join Wecasa as a hairdresser. This guide explains the application process and the requirements needed to become a part of this flexible workforce. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Wecasa professional application page by entering the URL www.wecasa.co.uk/pro in the address bar. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the site loads, you will see an overview of the application process along with details about the benefits of working with Wecasa. Next, review the eligibility requirements listed on the sites. You must be eligible to work as a self-employed individual in the UK. This includes having relevant hairdressing diplomas, certifications, or proof of experience. Make sure you have your unique taxpayer reference number or UTR from HMRC, as this is required for compliance with regulations set for 2026. It is also important to consider your visa status. Note that if you are on a student visa, you are not permitted to engage in self-employment. However, if you hold a graduate visa, you can work for up to 2 years after graduation. Understanding your visa restrictions will help ensure that your application process goes smoothly. After confirming your eligibility, look for the application form on the website. Click on the link that directs you to the application form. This form will require you to fill in your personal details, qualifications, and work experience. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete, as this will be reviewed during the application process. Once you've submitted your application, you may need to wait for a confirmation email. This email will inform you if your application has been successful or if additional information is required. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder to ensure you do not miss any important communications from Wecasa. After your application is approved, you can start enjoying the benefits of working with Wecasa. You will have the flexibility to choose your own hours and travel zones. There are no exclusivity agreements allowing you to remain fully independent. Additionally, registration is free with no hidden costs involved, and you can expect fair compensation ranging from £12.50 to £16 per hour before taxes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.